Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder, a drag-and-drop app builder. FluxBuilder 2.0.3 or later will provide a convenient and customizable translation feature. Users have the freedom to translate text within the app according to their preferences. If you want to work with the source code, follow the guide in the description below. Now let's view how to update translations on FluxBuilder. Sign in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select the app you created, or select any of the apps in the Featured Apps section below. For example, we will edit the word "see all", the word "related blogs", and the word "privacy" in term. To do that, go to Features, By default, this feature helps you to update words in English translation. For other languages, be sure to select a language and click Apply before updating words. Now we will edit the word "see all". You can find a word to edit. Remember to click the Apply button to save the edits. After editing all, you should click the Save button to save it on the cloud, so you can work on multiple laptops. Then go to the simulator to see the results. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.